What's up, fellas? Machinists. You guys with machine knowledge. Maybe you can help me identify what this thing is. I bought it several years ago at Boieng Surplus here in the Seattle area. And it came in this box, but I don't think this was the right thing for this box. You can see that foam isn't a correct fit. Here is the directions on the box. Inspect and remove all nicks or protrusions from the finger that might give a false reading. Clamp finger in the gauge block without gauge pin, then adjust the dial indicator bezel to read 0. Install the gauge pin between finger and gauge block. Yeah, okay, see that? This whole instructions leads me to believe that this is a gauge block. But is this a gauge block? Pretty sure it's stainless. I don't know what the threads are. I haven't put a pitch gauge in, and I doubt that it's gonna do me any good on my little mill drill here. But yeah, if you could let me know what this guy is, I would greatly appreciate it. You can, if you would, down in the comments, give me a like and leave me some comments down there. That'd be great. I'm going to be posting a lot of build videos, and I need your guys' help. Thank you very much.